Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a really good niche. I'm going to show you the keywords around it and why it's a really good one, although it's a bit strange to me. You'll see what I mean, but it's a fantastic niche. It's at a mid to higher range price point, fairly decent commission rates and lots of affiliate programs for it, not just Amazon. So I'm going to show you it anyway without further ado. If you want help with this, check out the link below. It will give you the Azon templates offer, and this is something with a difference. By templates I mean step by step how to do everything that most people find difficult with Amazon. First and foremost, you get a content planner that you can open up in Excel. It's got a calendar in there, it's got a content planning system in there, it's got a competition check in there, it's got a place to put all your keywords and to see whether you can actually rank for them. So it's worth getting just for that. You also get templates on how to check the competition and how to pick really good products and how to pick a good price point and all of the stuff that you need. I'll just show you. All of this stuff: content scheduler, keyword research, picking the best niches, checking competition, flipper template, setup template, flow template, how much content do you need, easy stats template, all of it, everything that you need. And the purpose of those templates is so you can get them and print them out or have them on your computer, and when you're doing this stuff that you'll know exactly what to do and it will be really easy for you. So do pick them up, there's not long left on the clock. I'll put the link below and check out the video. I'll give you a free preview of the actual content scheduler. I think that's where you'll get most value. That's something that you're going to open up every day working on your Amazon sites, and where to put your keywords and exactly how to check competition and how much, so when you're going for a niche, you know exactly what you're doing and whether you're going to rank for it. So check that out. Not long left on the timer. You'll be able to get in today, and when you get in, you're able to download all the stuff straight away. It's all there waiting for you. Okay, and I want to give you a really good free niche. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so the free niche is standing desks. You've probably heard of them. Really good in terms of price point. They start off really low. $50 you can get one for a really small one. Normally around about $100 for a decent one, and then they go up from there depending on the options that you want. And there's one here for like $329. So a sort of mid-range niche, not quite high end, but a good price point, and they're really popular. Now I don't know about you. Personally, I'm not keen on standing desks. If I want to go and work out or do some exercise, I'll go and do that. I don't understand the benefit of standing there all day, but I do know that they're very popular, and in some offices, where people are literally sat and they can't get out of the office, they're just really popular. People are buying them, and they are a standing desk. So the way they work normally is that you sit, but they adjust so you can actually stand and work, and then you have intervals where you're standing, intervals where you're sitting. The main thing for us as Amazon building sites is that people are buying them. So really good niche here. I'll just show you. So just a quick look on Ubersuggest. I like using Ubersuggest. I know that it's not the best tool out there, and there's some really good paid ones, and I know Ubersuggest is paid, but it's quite pricey. But the free version gives you an idea. Loads of searches. In terms of competition, yes, if you were just going to go for standing desks or computer standing desks, you're going to have a tough time. But you can see here, standing desk Amazon, there's still plenty of searches, and you're getting chairs for standing desks for home, standing desk adjustable height. There's plenty of gold there. Standing desk benefits, 4,400 searches, only 28 SEO difficulty. Ergonomics, Vivo standing desk, we've just seen them on Amazon, and not 2,900, and relatively easy to rank for, not the hardest in the world. There's lots of standing desks with drawers, treadmills for standing desks. There's lots of scope for this niche as well. The way I recommend is bestsellers, always, of Amazon. I recommend the best sellers. I also recommend with this particular niche maybe doing 20 reviews or 10 or 15, sort of that sort of figure, and then also do the new releases as well, because what you'll find like this is new releases, hot new releases, bestsellers, and a lot of these will be standing desks. Now, a really good sub niche to this that you'll find of interest if you're going to do it is a standing desk converter. And what that does is convert your existing desk to a standing desk, and they are quite popular as well. I don't know why, again, because they cost about the same as buying a brand new standing desk, but they're popular as well. So obviously do your product reviews with your keywords. It's fairly easy. You'll do like top 10 standing desks, top 10 standing desks for the office, top 10 standing desks for home, and the different brands. Veridesk, there was another one there. Motorized standing desks is one. Standing desks with drawers, treadmills for standing desks, standing desk reviews here, 2,400 searches of people actually looking for reviews. So and the cost per click would be super high on that, which means that if you get ranked for it, really good term. Great niche. Pays about 3-4% on Amazon because it's classed as furniture, and there's plenty of affiliate programs for it as well. So if you wanted to, you could branch out. You know, SEO is SEO. I always say with Amazon, there's no difference between an Amazon site and any other site in terms of sending people through to a site as an affiliate. Look, you can see here I typed in standing desk affiliate program. You've got one here that came up, and they give you 7% commissions. Okay, you're never going to get as high conversion rate as Amazon being as well known. So I always recommend having Amazon on there. But if you wanted to put banners on there with other ones, Mojo Desk here, they will have an affiliate program. So there's plenty on there, and lots of the main thing here is that you've got a really good niche. You could even put AdSense on there as well. So take advantage of that. If you want a helping hand and you want to make it easier and you want the content planner, do get in and get your templates. Check out the video. So I'll put this page below. The video explains all, and it will give you a sneak peek at that content planner as well, so you can see it. And I'll see you inside, hopefully. If not, use that niche anyway. If you're going to be with us and the templates, it will definitely help. But I hope you enjoy the niche. I hope you use it. A really good one. That niche is brilliant to build up and keep, and you could build it into an authority site, because my suggestion to you is, if you're going to build it into an authority site, is to have something like a domain, brand it deskfit.com, fitatthedesk.com, getfitwhileworking.com, and you could have treadmills, under the desk treadmills, and do lots of stuff. So make it into a fitness thing with your standing desks, and that would work really well. So check out the page below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.